Well, good morning, YouTube. All right, we're on this restoration of this Cybernet radio. I just want to give you some progress on where we're at with the cover. So in previous videos for the Super Bengal, you saw how rusty the cover was. Well, this is where it's at now. The product we've used is Dulux Duplicolor vinyl spray, and it gives the closest to OEM spec look that I've seen. Alright, so the process for that has four coats of paint on it. So how do I get the paint off and in order to get these great results from a rattle can? So it's relatively straightforward. I just use an orbital sander with 120 grit and sand until it's all off. Then I clean with IPA. I found that's the best. You could use wax and grease remover, but I find that IPA dries very, very quickly, and you can move forward from there. All right, so the next thing that I had to do, because this is a restoration, is how do I get the stickers off? And we'll do this one off the panels without damaging them. Okay, now I've got one just here. That's one that I've done. That came off the side. And then on the back, I've put double-sided tape. Now the double-sided tape that I use, and I use this on all work where I'm mounting face plates back on, tins, displays, etc., is just this. It's just a commercial, very, very thin double-sided mounting tape. It's used a lot in the the people who mount things in frames and that type of thing. All right. So what are we going to do? Well, we're going to get this off, and the tool you're going to need is your hair dryer. You've probably already worked out where it's going to go from here. And what I'm going to do from the other side of the transfer, I'm going to heat it up. Okay. And then slightly pick away at it until it peels off. I'll show you just after I've heated it up. Takes a couple of minutes. You really only get one go at this, so I heat it up to a fairly high temp. I don't use heat guns because they do a lot of damage, even though it's on a similar concept. They are even at they're so much hotter than a blow dryer. So I know. So with a blow dryer, my personal opinion is, in this situation, you know how hot it gets. Alright, when I'm at peel off point, I'll switch it back on. Okay, I've lifted one corner and it's really stuck well, this one. So I'll just keep working on it. And then what I'm going to do is, I'll show you. So what we do is we get the edge of the knife, we slide that under, and we stick that to the blade. There we go. There we go. Awesome. And we have one perfect tag that hasn't been stretched, wrinkled, anything. All right. So the next process, we use the tape. We're just going to cut some length, and we're going to stick it on the back of that sticker. All right, I've flipped it over and I've put the first one on. I'll just do the other two and then we'll do the trimming process. Okay, so we're winning. We're getting there. So now all I need to do is use the scissors. I'm going to trim this down. And voila, there we have. We have two now OEM created stickers. One of them, I'm going to put the best one on the outside cabinet, which goes here on the back of the cover, and the other one goes underneath. All right, so one other thing that I'm going to do here is I'm going to swap this around. So that's the look from underneath. It's all spotted, a bit damaged, and that's the inside. So what I'm going to do is flip this, put the feet on this side, clean this up, and we're going to have a really clean looking bottom cover. All right, that's your lot for the day. In the afternoon, I will show you what this all looks like completed. I may do a reassembly and on the radio, but we'll see what happens. Remember, comment, like, and subscribe, and you can share as well what you know via YouTube. This is all helping restorers and restoration and hobbyists to get things back into service or looking fantastic. Thank you.